Hello people, how you all doing? Hope everyone has been doing good. Yes, today I'm cooking. I think I'm going to just make some spaghetti or just make some white rice since I have stew. But I don't have meat in the stew, so I'm cooking some meat. I'm cooking some meat which I will show you. I blended some peppers because I made a stew for my husband friend and there was no single pepper in it, so I decided to blend a little bit of pepper. I'll add it to the chicken with all the stuffs, onion, garlic, ginger, and all of those good stuff. So I'm going to add it to the chicken. I'll allow it to cook, and then we will make a spaghetti. I don't know if I'm making spaghetti actually, but whatever I decide to do, spaghetti, rice, whatever it is, I'll show you. Okay, guys. These are my blended stuffs. I'm going to add it to the chicken, okay? Here's our chicken. And here are my blended stuffs. I'm going to go in and add it. Yes, I've gone ahead to add my Maggi. Yeah, I'm going to add this garlic powder. Yeah, I'm going to go in with some cayenne pepper. Just a little bit. Our protein is cooking nicely. I want it to cook until it is very soft. I'm using two proteins. I'm using beef and chicken. Yeah. It smells incredible here. It smells incredible here. So I'm going to do spaghetti. Yeah. I'm using this brand. This is the brand I'm using. We are going to be doing two. It has just 2 packs of spaghetti and it has 4 packs of macaroni, or different types, you know, different shapes and different types. I will allow the water to boil until it is very well boiled before I add my spaghetti. I'm just going to cook the spaghetti for about 5 minutes. Yeah. So I'll take this back. I thought I'll be able to make soup today, but not today though. Hubby is going to help us cut this chicken, okay, because we're going to be making soup. So this is my spaghetti. I've gone ahead to parboil it for just 5 minutes. Yeah, I don't like it soggy. Sometimes I think I do, but yeah, I just want it to look like that Italian spaghetti. We're making just 2, okay? To my pot, I've gone ahead to slice onion in, and I added 1 tin tomatoes because I want it to come out very nicely. I have stew, like I told you guys. I already have stew at home, but I just want to add these tin tomatoes. I like this very tin tomatoes actually. It gives me some kind of very delicious taste to my meal, especially if I use it for spaghetti recipe. So I added this. I have my homemade stew, which I made with my homemade tomatoes. I usually buy fresh tomatoes, tatashe, and all of those good stuffs, and I blend just to make sure I know what I'm eating. So I'm going to allow this to saute for maybe like 5 minutes more, and then we add our stew. Let me show you my stew. So this is my stew. Yes, it's my homemade stew. I like to make my own tomatoes and make my own stew immediately because of how my, time runs here. So this is what we are going to be adding to this tomato paste. Our chicken is ready. I want to do agwarago meat. I don't want to fry this. I don't want to grill this. This is just how I want it. I'm just going to stew it. And yeah, Anyway, I might put it in the I might put it in air fryer, but I don't think I really want to. You know, sometimes you crave for a very different way. Um, you want to make your food some different way. Yeah. And yeah, this is our tomato. This is really nice. Smells incredible here. Smells really, really good here. Oh yeah. I'm gonna go in with my spaghetti. Let's add our spaghetti. Look at that. We're gonna add more stew. Okay? Guys, I'll add some of this chicken broth here. Oh my God, this is so good. Woo! Smells so good. My kitchen smells so good. Then we're going to add our stew. Look at that. Very yum. You need to do this. Just save yourself a lot of stress sometimes. Wow. This is so yum. This is so yum, guys. This is so yum. Oh man, this is so good. This is really good. Not too much seasoning. I already have every good thing in my stew. Mm. 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 This is so good. I'll be right back. Guys, this is what our spaghetti looks like. I'm going to pour it in a pan so it will start cooling up. So I can just use this pot to just stew my chicken, and I'll show you the end. Okay, stay tuned. So guys, if you know me, in this house we used to make a lot of chicken. That way everybody can just take chicken, make for sandwich, or make shawarma, or just use chicken for anything literally that anybody wants to eat. So we'll make a lot of it, like 2 trays sometimes, and or even more than that. Yeah. So I opened this tray of chicken. There's no chicken in it. So I'm going into the other fridge to see if there's more chicken so I can put everything together. And I just found just one chicken. The life of mother Chineke Mera Ebere. Honestly, when I opened that tray, it was just one chicken. So I just wanted to add everything together. That way I know what I have for eating. Okay, so that's what I did here. I'm just going to add the chicken together with the new one I made, and then I'm going to just get myself prepared to make another chicken. So that's what it is. So I'm just going to leave everything in this tray. That's what I usually do because it's quite enough for, 2 days for everybody, or 3 days. Yeah. So this weekend I'm going to be going out to shop for my fresh items, so that way I can make new batch of food that will last for the week, because we absolutely do not have anything for eating apart from that I made beans porridge, like yesterday. Is it yesterday or something? I can't even remember. And I have some plain beans that we can eat this with. My husband went out. He said he's going to buy some vegetables on his way because we don't have any here for salad. So that way we can eat this with salad, or we can either eat with beans. Okay, we don't have plantain. Probably I might be buying plantain when I go to the fresh marketplace tomorrow. I do not have soup in the house, so I'm thinking of which soup to make. But the chicken will be cut, and then I will decide which soup I'm going to be making. And I'm still going to be making some chicken thigh and chicken breasts, yeah, like the one I used to make, because we usually love to have this at home. That way we can use it for sandwich or shawarma, like I said, or any other thing. Sometimes I make some dried, and I make some like not very dried, because those ones that are not very, very dried, we use it for sandwich, or we use it for any other thing that we want to eat. Then the dried one, my husband like to chew sometimes, and I like to chew sometimes too. So sometimes it's either we make fish, or I just go to the chicken that I made, and then we take the dried ones, and then we use it for chewing, yeah, or we can just go with fruits. Yeah, we try to want to eat very healthy, so that's why I make these things. We don't like eating outside most of the time because of what's, you know, is going on here in America. If you know, you know, my brothers and sisters. If you don't know, you know, no. That's just it. My spaghetti, guys, I've turned it to the pot, and this is my leftover chicken. It was from this tray that I used to make my shawarma recipe here. So this is one left. We have just one left. Let me know what you think. So this is our protein that we are going to be using for this very spaghetti recipe. I'm going to add it to the spaghetti, and then I'll clear the dishes. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please give it a like and share to your family, friends, and loved ones. This is going to be very helpful, very quick, very easy. So it's a good idea for you to have stew at home. It's a good idea for you to have chicken at home, or your fish, or whatever protein you choose to use for your cooking. So here's our stewed meat. Very delicious, guys. For my spaghetti, very sumptuous spaghetti. Very delicious spaghetti. So if you want to get this recipe very well, just cook your spaghetti for 5 minutes. Make sure your water is properly boiled. Add salt, add oil, and just go ahead and add your spaghetti. After your water must have boiled properly, sieve it and let it cool down. Run cold water through it. Just 5 minutes. You can boil it for 5 minutes. Yeah. This is also a children-friendly meal. And then you make your sauce. If you have already made sauce, just add a little bit of butter in your pot, or olive oil, or whatever oil you're using. Add a little bit of onion. If you have onion, add more, because it will give your food a good taste. Add onion, and then add your tomato paste if you care. Make sure your tomato paste cook nicely and give you that beautiful taste. And then add your stew, add your spaghetti, mix it, and allow it to just come together and marry each other. And that's it. I hope you're going to try this. Gucci's team, be loving, be kind, be merciful. God loves the merciful heart. So we have dinner. And then we're going to be eating it with some salad. You can eat this with some time to eat. Look at that. Yum, 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 yum. This is so beautiful. Look at that. Let's eat. Let's eat this deliciousness, guys. Come and eat. Man, this is so good. So good. Just so good. Like, so fantastic. No season this, no season that. Man, this is so good. It's not too spicy, but this is so good. This is so, so good. This is good. I just want to enjoy this. I've been waiting for my husband so that we can eat, but he's not back. So I decided to just eat this like this. He's coming back with a salad. I don't have vegetables, like I said. Tomorrow is Saturday. I'll be going out to do some grocery.